Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning I wish to every one of you. So we are from Group E, from Section 5 and 6, SEMM 3813, Industrial Engineering. So for today, we will present to you our group project entitled of Case Study on Laptop Cooling Pad. So my name is Aiman Ramli, and my other group members is Muhammad Uqbah, Muhammad Baihaqi, and also Ahmad Azizi. So for the introduction, we have done some background study on our product, which is laptop cooler pad. So why do we choose laptop cooler pad? So the first thing is because laptop cooler pad is a device or electronic device that is so near to us as a student. Laptop cooler pad has many advantages in the technology world nowadays. So laptop cooler pads can increase in terms of performance in our laptop because it can reduce the heat generated from CPU and also GPU. The next thing, the laptop cooler pad also has the ergonomic purpose, which is the current design of laptop cooler pad is considered ergonomic as one of the features in their design. So in this project, we have our own manufacturing reference or company reference, which is Cooler Master Technology Incorporation, based in Taiwan. So this company has been produced electronic gadgets and also things related to technology. So before we go through into the main part of the project, we want to emphasize our assumption for this project. So the first assumption is the company has already has the factory base to manufacture the laptop cooler pad. The operation hour is between 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. The operation days is 20 days per month, and also we use 3 machines, 2 injection molding and also stamping cutting machine. So the next thing, the objectives of the group project, as what you guys can see in the slide, in the report. We want to apply back what being learned in the theoretical part of industrial engineering into the practical part. The next thing, we want to observe and investigate the reliability of the project management and economic feasibility of the product. And also, we want to work in a team to solve the real life problem. I pass to my next friend.
Okay, thank you, Aiman Ramli. So now I will try to explain about the project selection for this product. So this product consists of a certain component, which is the first one is the fan, where the fan we choose have a plastic material where it's lightweight and easy to carry for students if they want to go to the library or the mosque. So next is the metal mesh, where we use the material which is stainless steel. The reason why we use stainless steel is because the material can withstand high heat from the laptop, where it is usually become hot if the users use their laptop for a long duration of time. The metal mesh also have a rounder holes because it can ease the flow of air, and also is a safety factor to ensure the blades and the surface of the laptop do not touch to each other. So next is the housing, where we also use plastic material as the material of the housing, where it have a soft texture and have curved edges that prevent accidents occur. So next is the price of the product. So we assume two types of cost for this product, which is the first one is the fixed cost and the other one is variable cost. So the fixed cost consists of the salary workers, rental, inventory, utilities, which consists of electric bills and water bills. For advertising, we consist it in social media and sponsor review. So to produce the product, we use three type of machine, which is injection molding and injection molding 1, 2, and also stamping cutting. So for the variable cost, we use raw material, which is consists of plastic, screw, mesh, and two motors. So next, we break down the cost for the raw material, which is the total cost for the raw materials is 11 ringgit and 60 cents. So next is the breakdown cost for the utilities for the production of this product, which is the total cost for both of the utilities is 2,150 ringgit. So based on all the costs that we listed above, so we came to the conclusion where this product price, the actual price for this product is 20 ringgit and 70 cents, where while our selling price per unit for this product is 35 ringgit because we want to gain some profit from it. So next is our customer target, where our target market for this product is people who use their laptop for long duration time, such as workers that work from homes, students, or even gamers that usually spend their 24 hours a day in front of their laptop. So basically, this product can help them to work efficiently as their laptop becomes smoother. Next is also we target people who love to decorate their workplace, as it can become an aesthetic value for their workplace, as the cooling pad has a unique design to it. So next is the capacity analysis for this product. So based on the observation that we have done, so the bottleneck for this production of product is the final assembly, which is the highest duration, which is 6 minutes. So next is the throughput time for this production, which is 20 minutes, where we consist the all the duration time in the critical path. So next is the monthly capacity for this product, which is 1,800 unit per monthly. So next, as we produce this product, they maybe have some defects, which is mainly come from manpower, which is lack of skills, machine, maybe can damage the products, materials, and also slow methods that the workers works to produce it. So that's all from me. Now I will pass it to Mr. Baihaqi.
Thank you for the explanation. So for my part, for data collection, we had list the activities involved in cooling pad manufacturing based on our research, which is stated in the table below. From the table, we can construct activity or notes. Next, from the activity or notes, we can see the flow of the process properly. Like we can see from A, it's go to B and E, F and G. And at G, we need to wait for the C and D to be completed first, and then to go to the H and do the final process I. So from the diagram, we will calculate the select time for each nodes. And after doing some calculation, we found that the critical path for the process is A, B, E, F, G, H, and I, which is 20 minutes. Next, we also constructed crash course just in case, because sometimes the distributor need the product sooner as the normally time that we expect. The fastest that we can produce the product is 12 minutes. That costs 5 ringgit and 20 cent per unit. Next, for work breakdown structure, we had divided into 4 categories, which are design, process, testing, and packaging. For design is where we will design the product and buying the raw material needed. For process is how the process is carried out. In testing is where we test the component and the final product and determine whether it is defect or not. And the last category is packaging, is where we pack the product and deliver it to the distributor. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Uqbah and I will present the engineering economy part on behalf of my group. We divided the engineering economy session into part which is engineering economy analysis in finding the budgetary cost of the total project. Another part is break-even analysis. The purpose of the break-even analysis is to find the break-even point, which is the point where revenue and sale is equal. For the engineering economy analysis, we estimate the next. For the engineering economy analysis, we estimate the budgetary cost based on 4 types of costs, which is initial investment, yearly maintenance, special maintenance which is required for every 5 years, and considering the expansion cost after 10 years of the project. The estimated growth of all costs is 10%. Apart from that, for the lifespan for this project, we assume to be capitalized. When we apply the concept of engineering economy in calculation, you can see the cash flow diagram. The required budgetary cost of the project is 528,366.06 ringgit. Okay, next, break-even analysis part. The break-even analysis required fixed cost of the project, variable cost, and selling price. The fixed cost of the project is the addition of the worker's salary, utilities, capital cost, material cost, and advertising cost. Firstly, all the cost was converted to monthly cost. Then after that, we apply the break-even analysis. Next. This is how we convert the cost into monthly payment. So we can summarize in monthly cost. Okay, next. Okay, when we apply the break-even analysis, we achieve that the break-even unit is 1,643 unit, which is equivalent to 5,705 ringgit sale. Next. This is the table of break-even analysis. We can see that the break-even point is between 1,600 and 1,800, which is 1,643. Based on our capacity is 1,800 unit per month. We can get the clean profit of RM 3,691 every month. That's all from me.
So in conclusion, so this group project has become an eye-opener for us to see on how the theoretical knowledge of industry engineering being applied in the real business life situation. So in this project, we are not just analysis the working structure of the business itself. We also want to give some suggestion for this project, which is if we want this project to sustain to 5 or 10 years more, so we need to do or we need to create the research and development department. So our company is not just focused on producing laptop cooler pad, but we also in the future will produce other products that will sustain the business. The next thing, we want also to expand the business because when we expand the business and not just focus on the physical retails, we also want to go into the e-commerce retails, so we can get benefit for the expansion of the business there. So after the conclusion, we have the individual reflection from all of the group members. And in these appendices, we also include our Gantt chart to make this project report become realistic in 7 to 8 weeks duration time. So this is our product poster made by Mr. Uqbah. And these are some of the price reference that we have found in the internet to make our assumption become realistic. So we refer to the Google or internet in making some assumption. And I think that's all from our group. And we hope everyone can understand our presentation. And thank you, everyone.